How to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer. If you want to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. Here, enter your email and password to log into your Outlook account. Now, you can do this in the Outlook app as well. Once logged in, decide whether to transfer your emails via an external hard drive or by logging into your Outlook account on new computer. If you choose the external hardware drive option, go to your inbox and select the emails you want to transfer. Then click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Downloads. Choose either EML or MSG format. Save the selected emails to your external hard drive. Plug the external hard drive into a new computer and copy the files over to access them on your new device. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.